So there's a way you can use your Chrome extensions on Incognito window, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do just that. So the first thing is to come to your extension stack right here, click on it, and you should see the rundown of all the extensions that you have installed on your Chrome browser. Now go ahead and click on manage extensions so that you can have a better view of all the extensions. For the sake of the video, I'm going to be using this particular extension to demonstrate how you can activate this for incognito mode usage. So just go ahead and click on details and look out for allow in incognito. So go ahead and click on this to toggle it on, and as soon as you do that, the extension becomes available on your incognito. So to check for that, come to the top right corner of your screen and then open an incognito window. You can also do that by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N on your keyboard. So once your incognito window is open, you can look out for the extension, and it's right here. So guys, there you have it. That's how to use just about any Chrome extension on incognito window. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more.